the internet is in the ocean, you receive text pretty much instantly because there are 750,000 miles of cables on the sea floor, and data travels through them at nearly the speed of light. This is mostly thanks to fiber optics. Data is ones and zeros. 1 is a high frequency wave and 0 is a low frequency wave. And this is translated into pulses of light. Grossly summarized, the high frequency wave of a 1 triggers a light pulse. The low frequency wave of a 0 triggers nothing. And these pulses are carried as information through fiber optics, which are as fine as a human hair. To install the cables, they are lowered from a ship very slowly over the course of months. The ships tow a plow through the seabed, and the cable will be buried by the sands of the currents. This might be the first time you're hearing about it, but underwater cables are not new. The first transatlantic cable was actually in 1858, when Queen Victoria sent a telegraph to US President Buchanan. All of this could change in the future, since there has been a push toward wireless and satellite. But for now, fiber optics are the cheapest option with the fastest speeds. That's right.